Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a little unboxing video, and I do mean little. We got the new Axial SCX30. This one's actually belongs to my buddy at work. We get the honors of unboxing it and doing the first crawl with it. But yeah, these things are really cool. We're a little bit late to the game. I haven't got one myself yet, but we will have one. I did get to do a demo at the hobby shop a couple days ago. So anyways, let's crack this box open and see what all we got and take this thing for a rip. It is ready to run. I mean, completely ready to run. It does come with a charger. It comes with the batteries for your transmitter. And so it's all in one box. And it is freezing out here. It's just above about 35 degrees in the shop tonight. So don't worry about the shaking. I'm freezing. All right, there's our truck, and we just held in with twist ties. Got our scale little mountain scene here. I do believe this is our transmitter. We've got a owner's manual, a little tiny sticker sheet to match your tiny truck. I've never had a SCX24. There's your charger. I've had that TRX4M for a couple years and just recently drove it last summer. Oh, we dropped a piece. There is a little accessory pack in here, and I believe this is standard equipment on both the truck and the Bronco and the Jeep. It's got narrower fender flares. I'm not sure what these little green pieces are. I have to look in the instructions. But yeah, it's got a little tiny screwdriver. I mean, tiny screwdriver, that thing right there. So we're going to leave that up to the owner to do that. Must be a provision here. Servo saver slip sheet. We'll look into that, see exactly what that means for something we need to adjust or change. It's got your standard little Spectrum transmitter. We're getting quite a few of these around the shop with all the Losi cars and Arma cars. It's not really, yeah, it's not branded per car, so best to mark those off. Once you get a couple of these things, you'll be going through transmitters trying to figure out what's what. 4 AA's. The battery for the truck is in the truck. All right, we got the tiny truck out of the box there. The body, from what I understand, I believe it's just pressure fitted. It don't really have body mounts per se. It does have a piece of clear tape holding on from the manufacturer. I think you just simply pull on the body. Yeah. There you go. And kapowie, the body comes off. All right, guys, here's the chassis. You got your battery mounted up on the left side. Center motor towards the front. It's pretty neat how it's set up. The tiniest shocks you'll ever see. Silky smooth. Of course, there's no oil in them, I imagine. Axle mounted servo. 4-link. You also have the kind of the raised 4-link here for clearance on the rears. And everything underneath the truck is super smooth to not get hung up on anything. It does have lights in the front, and they are functional. I don't know if anybody yet, I'm sure somebody will be making a functional light bar. This one's just for looks. And anyways, it's a very neat little truck. And let's get this battery charged up and hit the trails. All right, guys, we're on the micro track, and here's our crawling course. Check it out. Masking tape, airbrush, paint mixing stick, body reamer, and the micro tee. Conquered the 1/4 inch onto the 3/4. No problem. All right, let's back her up. Get a good angle on the old airbrush here. All right, now for the most challenging part of the course. The paint stick on the micro tee. Oh, we're getting it. We're getting it. Check out the flex. Oh, too much. It's got really good low speed control. I'll give it that. Oh, we made it, but not quite. All right, we're going to try all the obstacles in a row. 1/4 inch, 3/4, the reamer and the paint stick. Come on, get some. Here we go. Here we go. Airbrush. Bam! Made it. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Hope you enjoyed that little unboxing and little run footage. No little Debbies were harmed in the making of this video. A lot of fun. This thing would be a blast when you're snowed in at the house, or just rainy weather, or probably be fun outside too, but as long as you're in a scale environment. And it is tiny. It's not too tiny for a GW sticker on the hood though. But this was a lot of fun. I will be picking one up for myself. This is for my coworker. He wanted me to pick it up on my way home Friday because I do have the luxury of going past the hobby shop on my way home, which is kind of hard to fight the temptation sometimes, and I didn't buy one yet. But a lot of fun. We had fun doing the demo at the hobby shop, and a lot of fun here at the house climbing over some things. The aftermarket is going to be supporting this thing quite a bit. There's already a brushless system out for it. I'm sure wheels, tires, bodies are soon behind it. I did see a little teaser photo of a high-powered servo that may be coming out for this thing already. So the options will be endless, I imagine. So stay tuned for all of that. We may not put all the doodads on ours, but who knows. Anyways, guys, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the little micro crawler scene. And while you're there, hit subscribe. And don't forget to check out the links below for your cool stickers. We'll see you Wednesday with our update. More paint stuff. If you hadn't seen this paint video, check it out. It was just the other day. And we'll see you Wednesday. Thanks.